Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can crop a video on Prequel. So go and press canvas, and here you can crop the video. As you can see, there's a lot of options to choose from. I'm just going to choose the 1x1 and adjust the video there, and then once I'm done, I'm just going to press the check mark button here, and then I'm just going to press next to export it to my device, or you can add more, like you can add effects, and then don't forget to press save video. And that is basically it. It is super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.